Want to shed those extra pounds quickly? Listen up. These fat-burning smoothie ingredients will help you achieve your weight loss goals faster than you can say Michelin star. We're talking about packing your blenders with the good stuff, the ingredients that kick your metabolism into high gear and torch those stubborn fat stores. These aren't your average sugary smoothies that leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. We're going for lean, mean, fat-burning machines. Get ready to transform your body and your health with these incredible smoothie recipes. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the ingredients that make these smoothies so effective. We'll break down the science behind their fat-burning power, and I'll even give you some tips on how to make them taste absolutely incredible. Let's get started.
Green tea is a powerhouse for boosting your metabolism. It turns your body into a calorie-scorching inferno. Packed with catechins, it helps break down fat efficiently. Drink a green tea smoothie, and those catechins get to work. They break down fat cells, releasing energy. Green tea also regulates blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and overeating. Stay fuller longer with a fired-up metabolism. Green tea in a smoothie? Will it taste like a lawn? Don't worry, we'll add delicious ingredients. Fresh fruits, lemon, maybe spinach. Endless possibilities, phenomenal taste. Enjoy the journey, not just the results. Remember the power of green tea in your smoothies. It's a game changer for your weight loss goals.
Next up, we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses that pack a serious punch when it comes to weight loss. We're talking fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and a whole lot of other good stuff that will have you feeling fuller for longer and watching those pounds melt away. Now, let's talk fiber, the unsung hero of weight loss. Chia seeds are loaded with it, and fiber is like a sponge in your stomach, absorbing water and expanding to keep you feeling full and satisfied. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and ultimately, fewer calories consumed. It's a win-win. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for overall health and, you guessed it, fat burning. These healthy fats help to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and boost your metabolism, all of which contribute to a leaner, healthier you. And the best part about chia seeds? They're incredibly versatile. You can add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on top of yogurt or salads, or even use them to make healthy puddings and jams. The possibilities are endless. So, don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. Incorporate chia seeds into your diet and watch as they work their magic, helping you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Now, let's move on to our next fat-burning superstar.
Let's talk Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse that's about to become your new best friend in the battle against the bulge. We're talking lean, mean, muscle-building protein that will keep you feeling full and satisfied while torching those unwanted pounds. Listen up, because this is important. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, and the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. That's right, you'll be a fat-burning machine even when you're just lounging on the couch. And Greek yogurt? Well, it's practically swimming in protein. A single serving packs a serious punch, making it the perfect ingredient for your fat-burning smoothies. It's like giving your metabolism a swift kick in the pants, telling it to get to work and start burning those calories. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of calcium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. And let's not forget about probiotics, those friendly bacteria that keep your gut healthy and happy. A healthy gut means better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. So ditch those sugary yogurts loaded with artificial flavors and embrace the creamy, tangy goodness of Greek yogurt. It's a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways, from smoothies to dips to desserts. Get creative in the kitchen and watch as Greek yogurt helps you sculpt a leaner, healthier you.
Hold on to your hats, folks. Because we're about to dive into the incredible world of spinach, the leafy green that's about to become your secret weapon in the fight against fat. We're talking low calories, high fiber, and a whole lot of nutrients that will have you feeling like Popeye himself. First things first, spinach is incredibly low in calories, making it the perfect ingredient for those watching their waistline. You can load up your plate, or in this case, your blender, without feeling guilty, knowing that you're fueling your body with goodness. But don't let its low calorie count fool you. Spinach is packed with fiber, which, as we've already discussed, is essential for weight loss. Fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those pesky cravings that can derail your progress. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, boosting your immune system, and keeping your energy levels soaring. So, how do you incorporate this leafy green goodness into your diet? Well, smoothies are a fantastic way to sneak in a healthy dose of spinach without even realizing it. The other ingredients mask the taste, leaving you with a delicious and nutritious drink that will have you feeling like $1,000,000.
Get ready to dive into a world of juicy, delicious berries, the antioxidant powerhouses that are about to become your new secret weapon in the fight against belly fat. We're talking blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole gang's here, ready to help you achieve your weight loss goals while tantalizing your taste buds. Now let's talk antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Berries are absolutely bursting with them, and these antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity, and boosting your metabolism, all of which contribute to a leaner, healthier you. But that's not all. Berries are also packed with fiber, which, as we've already discussed, is like a magic bullet for weight loss. Fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those pesky cravings that can derail your progress. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket, helping you stay on track and reach your goals. And let's not forget about the taste. Berries are naturally sweet and delicious, making them the perfect addition to your fat-burning smoothies. They add a burst of flavor and a vibrant color that will make you excited to sip your way to a healthier you. So ditch those sugary snacks and embrace the natural sweetness of berries. Add them to your smoothies, top your yogurt with them, or enjoy them as a guilt-free snack. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you.
There you have it, folks. 5 incredible fat-burning smoothie ingredients that will have you shedding those unwanted pounds and feeling like a brand new you. Remember, consistency is key, so make these smoothies a regular part of your diet and watch as the results roll in. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. Add a squeeze of lemon, a handful of greens, or a dash of cinnamon to take your smoothies to the next level. The possibilities are endless. Now go forth, my friends, and start blending your way to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video useful, check out my next video for more useful information that will assist you along your weight loss journey. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and health tips.